Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to automatically crop your videos to a vertical format on GoPro Lit Hero using the Quick app. It can automatically crop the videos, which is really helpful because then the video crop is not always centered, but it will actually get cropped to where it is the most important to show. So for example, if you're recording someone that you'd like to put in the video and that person is in the right side of the recording, not in the center, it can crop it so that person is visible, and it'll do that. So I think that it's pretty useful. To do it, go to Media, select the video that you'd like to automatically edit, select Auto Edit. Now it'll automatically edit the video, and now before we start watching it, let's go to Format and select this 9:6 format. Now it'll crop the video, so in the center of the video there will be the most important parts of the video and not necessarily the actual center of the video. So I think that it's pretty useful. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.